I think really we're relieved. It was a well thought out, well-reasoned decision. And certainly we're very happy for the family of Emilio, Marisol Segovia, Melody Segovia, who are in Mexico, and the rest of his family in Mexico who can't be here, who just have been notified and updated on everything that's happening and really wanted to have justice for Emilio. Any case involving a child is difficult, but when you have evidence before the court that this child had bruises throughout his body, that this child had probably the most bruises that a child abuse doctor had ever seen in a child, of course, it's always going to be hard. It's always going to be emotional.
Clearly, my client and I were a little disappointed in the outcome today. We weren't necessarily anticipating a conviction. However, we'll have to analyze the decision. It was a long trial. There was a lot of evidence heard. Obviously, it's a lot to absorb when you're convicted of a serious crime, but he's aware that his legal representation, his legal team continues to look at his alternatives and what can happen going forward. So there's still some hope, but we'll have to see how it goes from here. But yes, he's clearly very disappointed today. And in order to assess the decision, whether there is even a reasonable prospect of an appeal, I need to take the time to thoroughly analyze his decision. It was a well thought out decision, and he made his rulings. Whether they're sufficient or whether they'll be upheld, who knows? I mean, we don't even know if there'll be an appeal, but there's certainly a lot for me to analyze, and just hearing the facts for the first time today, I'm in no real position to suggest what should be the outcome.